Why so serious?
Self-made cool guy here. Keep your family cool this holiday season by purchasing Slammin' Worldwide. I thought maybe you sent in the clip of her.
Well, no, she sent in the clip of me.
Yeah, so I thought maybe you sent one in of her.
No,
He said to send him a clip. Putting my new boyfriend on your channel.
Yeah.
What's his real name?
You don't even know your own boyfriend's name.
First name Feed, last name Back. I'm Haley.
I have nothing to say to that. It's not funny.
Did I fuck you up? Where's Fuck, my dick! It's falling through the fucking hole.
That was it. Don't kick out and it won't chip. That would have. I'm so glad I got that. Did it?
Yeah. Should I do that again?
No.
I didn't like it.
Watch it.
Look at these look backs. and I totally ruined the clip by commentating.
Gross, doing it again. God, that was scary. Watch out! Oh my god, that was fucking amazing.
You have nowhere to go. That does nothing. That doesn't affect me at all.
Okay, let's go.
Look how I wish you flipped the camera on how salty you are. Fucking Skeletor over here.
Oh my god, dude, you're such an asshole.
I told Tail that he looks like a skeleton. And he can't.
Yeah, and then all these fucking kids in the comments that they're gonna be like, oh, it's cause it's vegan, he doesn't eat meat, he needs more protein.
Oh, I didn't even think about the fact that you look like a skeleton because you're vegan. That's probably true.
No, it's not.
Meat begots meat, dude. It's physics.
You're such an idiot, dude. Any fucking non-ignorant person knows that's not true. You think I just fucking went vegan because I was like, I'm a hipster now, I'm gonna fucking go...
I literally think that you went vegan because you know, you freaking hardcore music, X bro, freaking.
You're the worst, dude.
I know.
You're literally a piece of shit.
I know.
Yeah, can I get the ham and egg cheese bagel? It's not breakfast.
What are you talking about?
CKY2K?
Are you serving breakfast still?
Yeah, breakfast was over at 10:30.
Well, then can I get some?
What?
Some breakfast.
Dan just took a shit. He's dirty, so that's what we do.
Content.
Claire and I are leaving for Portland tomorrow, and Dan's house staying at my house. Don't come in my bed. I gave you sheets.
He literally told me that I'm totally fine with like coming in his bed, like before this video.
Just don't get it on the mattress.
He said I could get it on the mattress.
There's pee stains on the mattress.
Yeah, that's where I plan to come.
I wet the bed once, like, kind of recently. It was
But
weird.
also like not.
It was
recently.
weird. I've wet the bed twice in the last 5 years.
Really?
I swear to God.
You just like dream that you're peeing.
I've actually shit the bed, too.
No.
Within the last few years.
You know that's a disorder?
No, I was sick.
Oh, okay.
I had the flu, and I literally woke up and shit. Or, well, I woke up with shit in my boxers.
Oh, god damn.
Was it like runny or was it like turds?
No, it was runny.
Okay, because if it was turds, I'd be like, you're fucking.
I'm fucked.
That'd
You're
be
awesome.
sick. I've never shit the bed. I've never pissed the bed.
Really?
Yeah, I did get food poisoning and fell asleep in my own shit like on my face.
I pissed
Oh
the
my
I pissed
God.
I pissed the bed until I was like 7 years old.
That's called enuresis, and that's a disorder. It's a psychological disorder.
I was
that
7
you-
years old.
Yeah, it's a psychological disorder if it happens past the age of when you're supposed to be potty trained.
Yeah, I had a psychological disorder where I pissed the bed.
Yeah.
But I pissed the bed twice in the last 5 years.
So he still has it.
Yeah, so you still have enuresis.
It's minor enuresis.
Tell us more.
It was
I
like
can think of the thumbnails now. You could hang shit out your nose. And fucking...
and call it nose shit.
Yeah. Call it brown nose.
Oh
Yeah,
shit.
I know. I'm fucking really
was there a pun intended?
great. Did she say was there, buddy?
Yeah, because he said, oh shit.
Oh shit.